Shadowmatch has a fully functional coaching engine or coaching platform available. This is a platform that coaches use to coach individuals. All the coaching content is part of the platform. We have various coaching programs available. All of the information is on this website, shadowmatchcoaching.com. If you go to coaching programs, you can see that we've got career coaching, study method coaching, fulfillment coaching, or as you might know it, life coaching, personal development coaching. This is coaching programs where a specific habit is developed for a specific purpose, and then relationship coaching. For all these coaching programs, if you navigate to that specific coaching page, you will see that there's a description of the coaching program, a video that you can watch. You can download an example report and also download the program outline. This will be true for all the various coaching programs. If we go back to the home page, you will see that there's a video with a demonstration of the coaching platform. So if you would like to know more and see how this platform actually works between coach and client, please watch this demonstration. It's a short video. It will take the user through the coaching platform, explaining how the coaching programs and the process of coaching works and how the coach and the client is then virtually connected via the various coaching platforms and the coaching program that they have chosen. There are also more information webinars available that you can watch. With regards to the pricing, when a coach signs up, they pay a monthly price per coaching program that they activate. There's a calculator to calculate the pricing. If an individual decides to sign up as a coach, it's an automated process. They can merely click on the button sign up as coach. There's also a button available at the top of this page, sign up as coach. As I said, it's an automated process. If you click on sign up as coach, it will ask for your details, your name, your last name, your email address, a few other information points that we would need to gather. And then once you've done your sign up, the system will activate your payment through PayPal, and you can then immediately start coaching. As part of the coaching platform, once you've signed up, you get access to marketing material, you get access to all the coaching training that is available as part of your monthly cost that you pay for your active program or active programs. Individuals that have signed up to become coaches can make themselves available on the Shadowmatch coaches page. This is a page where all the coaches that have capacity and that have decided to make themselves available will display their photo, their bio, the coaching programs that they coach, and any person from the public can go to this page and find a coach that they can connect with. Lastly, in organizations, it might be important to tell individuals the purpose and the benefits of coaching. We have a coaching page, whycoaching.com. The URL is displayed on the screen. This is a page specifically for the client or the individual. Very, very concise. There are two videos, a video about coaching for people that really experiences life as tough, and then a video that talks to people that says, but life is good. But if you feel that you are successful and your life is really good, how can coaching actually benefit you? Two short videos between 2 and 3 minutes each. Very nice for individuals to watch, to motivate them to sign up and to do a coaching program with a coach. From this page, they can navigate to the coaches page where they can find a coach. There are some testimonials from clients that have gone through a coaching program with a coach that individuals can read that will just help them to really nudge them to make that final decision to find a coach. Also at the bottom of the page, there's a button, a call to action button, find a coach. If you need any more information, please watch all the videos. I'm sure that will answer your questions. Alternatively, you can send us an email to coaching@shadowmatch.com.